Hi everyone, I hope you're all safe and well. It's Mrs. Begum here. So today I've got another creative opportunity for you all. Today we're going to create a wool hanging. So to create one, you'll need some sellotape, some patterned paper or some coloured paper will do, some scissors, a piece of string or some ribbon. So the first thing that you'll need to do with your A4 piece of paper is fold it like so to get a square shape. Then you're going to cut along and that will give you this shape. Okay, once you've got that, we're going to fold it like so and then fold it again. So on this side you've got your closed end and on that side you've got your open end. Okay, what we're now going to do, we're going to use our scissors and cut along, and it's really important to cut in this direction, otherwise it won't work. And I'm going to stop there. I'm going to do it again and stop again. One final one. And we're going to open it all out. And it should look something like that. Okay, once you've got that, you're going to go in straight into the middle and fold it inwards like so. And we're going to get our sellotape and tape it in. Okay, and then we're going to flip it over. We're going to do the same on the other side. And we're going to go outwards this time and tape. Back inwards. Out again. So I've cut my tape into smaller pieces so it's easier. And then the last one, like so. So then it looks something like this. Okay, and once you've got that, we're going to add in our string. I'm going to get my string, place it there. That's the final bit to it. You can do different sizes and hang it onto the wall just like I have done. If the weather's nice, you can put them outside, or you can decorate your windows, anything you like. So that's all. Get creating, guys, and please share your photos with us. Take care. Bye bye.